Oh, no. I'm running late. David is waiting for me downstairs. Where did I put my phone? I always charge it here on the nightstand. Maybe it fell behind the bed. Let me check. No, not here. How will David know if I'm delayed? He must be wondering where I am. Maybe I left it in the kitchen while making breakfast yesterday. Not here either. This is so unlike me. I'm usually very organized. David will worry if I don't show up on time. We plan to spend the whole day together. What if there's an emergency and someone needs to reach me? I can't find it anywhere, and I'm already 20 minutes late. David must be getting worried. I should go explain what happened. It's just one day. People manage without phones all the time. But what about the bus schedule? And if we get lost? Well, I'll figure it out.
Emma, there you are. I was starting to get concerned.
David, I'm so sorry I'm late. Something happened.
Are you okay? You look a bit stressed.
I can't find my phone anywhere. I've looked everywhere in my apartment.
Oh, don't worry about that. These things happen sometimes.
But what if you needed to call me? How would you reach me today?
Emma, I'm right here with you. We'll be together all day.
Yes, but what about the bus times? I always check the app to see when it's coming.
We can check the printed schedule at the bus stop.
Right, those still exist. I just got used to the convenience of the app.
Sometimes the old ways work just fine.
You're probably right. It's just that I feel a bit unprepared.
We'll figure everything out as we go. It might even be interesting.
Interesting. How do you mean?
When did you last spend a whole day just experiencing things without checking your phone?
So, how do I know when the bus is coming without the real-time app?
Look, there's a schedule right here. It shows all the times.
Oh, this actually has more information than the app. I can see the whole route.
Sometimes these printed schedules are more reliable than the digital ones.
You know, without checking my phone, I'm actually noticing things around us.
Like what?
Those buildings have such beautiful architecture. I walk past them every day, but never really looked.
It's amazing what we see when we're not looking down at a screen.
Look at that mother teaching her child to count using the bus windows.
That's creative. No tablet or phone needed.
And that elderly gentleman reading an actual newspaper? My grandfather used to do that.
There's something peaceful about it, isn't there?
Yes, everything feels slower, but in a good way.
Like you have time to actually process what's happening around you.
I forgot how peaceful libraries are. so quiet and calm.
When did you last visit a library just to read?
College, I think. I usually just download books or read articles online.
There's something special about physical books, though.
This book feels nice in my hands. The pages, the texture.
You can't get that experience from a screen.
And no notifications popping up to distract me from reading.
Exactly. Just you and the book.
David, I've been reading for 40 minutes straight without any interruption.
How does that feel?
Really good, actually. My mind feels more settled.
That's what happens when you can focus on one thing completely.
I forgot I could concentrate this deeply. It's like my brain is finally relaxing.
Maybe we don't need to be connected to everything all the time.
This park is so much more colorful than I remembered.
Maybe because you're really looking at it today?
Listen to all these different bird sounds. I never noticed there were so many.
When you're present, you pick up details you usually miss.
That couple over there is having such an animated conversation.
They look like they're really enjoying each other's company.
And those kids playing catch, they're so focused on their game.
No screens needed, just imagination and physical activity.
I keep wanting to check the time, but I don't actually need to know what time it is.
Time feels different when you're not constantly measuring it.
Exactly. I feel more in the moment. Does that make sense?
Perfect sense. You're experiencing time naturally instead of digitally.
It's liberating in a way.
That's a great word for it.
Look how many people are sitting alone with their devices.
Makes you wonder what conversations they might be missing.
I probably looked like that too, many times.
We all do. It's become so normal.
I'll have a cappuccino, please. And I love that painting behind you.
Thank you. I painted that during my break yesterday.
It's beautiful. You're very talented.
That makes my day. Most people don't even look up from their phones.
You just made that barista really happy.
She deserved the compliment. Her art is genuinely good.
How are you feeling about your phone-free day now?
Honestly, I'm starting to see the benefits. I feel more connected to what's actually around me.
Connected by being less digitally connected.
Exactly. It's like I'm more present in my own life. Look at this sunset. It's incredible.
Worth more than any photo could capture.
I thought about taking a picture, but then I realized I'd rather just see it fully.
Sometimes experiencing something is better than documenting it.
All these houses have such character. Each one tells a different story.
You're really paying attention to details today.
Without the constant pull of notifications, my mind can actually wander and observe.
That's what mindfulness feels like.
David, thank you for being so patient with me today.
You handled everything perfectly. No phone needed.
I'll find my phone tomorrow, but I learned something important today.
What's that?
I can choose when to use technology instead of letting it always interrupt me.
That sounds like a healthy balance.
One day without constant connectivity showed me I can be more selective about when I really need it.